So I just got out of the shower. As you can see, my face is clearly in need of something. It is just not cooperating with me. Like, I have a big pimple here. I have a lot of pimples here, and I also do get my chin waxed because I get a lot of hairs on my chin and under here. So I do get that wax, and my wax lady put some oil, and I did notice after she put that oil I also started breaking out underneath my chin. And I tried my first mask yesterday, and my friend even noticed a difference when I went to work today. She's like, oh, I could totally tell that there's like, your skin looks new and this and that. And I was like, oh, well, thank you. This is actually the mask that I tried yesterday. I'm going to be trying this mask, but I'm not going to try this today because I want to try something else. This is by Seventh Haven. So I have 4 different brands. I have, these 3 are by Spascriptions. These 4 are by Seventh Haven. And then these are all Freeman masks. There's like more than 10 of these. But today we're going to be trying this face mask. This one is Freeman Feeling Beautiful Clearing. Okay, they all say feeling beautiful, whatever. It says normal to combo skin, instantly removes impurities plus tones for radiant skin. So let's see. This peel off clay mask delivers the cleansing and oil absorbing benefits you expect from clay, plus the all over toning and refining perks of an easy to peel off mask. Antioxidant rich tea helps protect skin from damaging free radicals, and lemon helps lighten dark spots for a radiant complexion. Perfect for normal to combination skin. Okay, so that's what it says on the back. Now let's see how it works. And I'm gonna take, like, I opened this yesterday and it has like a little face applicator. I'm just gonna take it from the box and use that to apply my face mask because it works pretty fucking good. Smells like glue. Now that that is applied all over my face, I'm going to let this sit for about 15, maybe 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to peel this all off, and I'm going to tell you how I think it makes my skin feel and yada yada yada, all the good bullshit, okay? Now we're going to take this off. You know there's always like those little extra pieces that you can't get, so I'm just going to use one of these wipes at the end to get that off. Anyways, let's take this off. Oh, it's all coming off together. I like that. Okay, so this, I really don't see no difference. Well, my face does feel a little bit smooth, and I'm not gonna lie, it does feel a little moisturized, a little bit firmer as well. This one so far is okay. That completes today's first face mask. Okay, so we're back for day 2. Technically it's the 3rd day, but you know, I went out yesterday and I got a little drunk and shit, and I didn't have time to do it before or after. So we're just gonna skip a day. One day, it's okay. I still got the pimple. It's alright. But for today, we're gonna be doing this one. I already opened it because I used this thing for my other mask. But yeah, so today I want to try out this black mask right here. I already washed my face and everything. So this is gonna be the charcoal mask. Deep cleansing gel-based formula unclogs pores and lifts away impurities. Let's read the full thing. Charcoal gel face mask is infused with natural charcoal, which acts like a magnet to gently draw out deep dwelling dirt, oil, and impurities from your clogged pores and lifts away dead skin cells without over drying. Your face will look clearer and feel softer from the inside out. Let's hope so. Alright, so it looks like it has glitter in it. probably can't see the glitter, but okay, anyways, I'm just gonna scoop some on here. And this is the lightest black mask I've ever seen. Okay, so I guess this isn't a peel-off mask. I just am supposed to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So, I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm just going to wipe this off. I'm just going to use this wet rag. Is it just me? The first thing that I notice is that, like, well, besides the part that's like covered in pimples, my skin is actually kind of glowing naturally. It looks really good. So yeah, I do have some new breakout down here, but I think it's because I fell asleep in my makeup. So I don't think it has anything to do with my mask. I'm just going to apply a little bit of a moisturizer onto my face because unlike the other one, I do feel like this one is a little bit more drying. So I'm just going to go apply some of my moisturizer and then I'm going to give my pillow some head. So good night, y'all. Okay guys, so we are back today for the third mask. And today I went for this Freeman mask. This is going to be the Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Peel Off Gel Mask. And this one says for men. This one says, this deep cleansing peel off mask uses volcanic ash and charcoal to pull pore clogging dirt, grime, and oil from your pores without over drying for all skin type. Directions. Not recommended for use over facial hair. Oh shit, I did not shave my mustache. Maybe it might pull it off. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should go shave it real quick though. I'm gonna go do that. I think it's dry enough. It's really tight on my face. So let's take this shit off. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh shit. Okay, let me get this part wiped off real quick and then I'm gonna let you know. The tea. I feel like this one really did help with the cleaning of my pores, but that is exactly what the mask was supposed to do, was for my pores. So I think it did what it was supposed to do. It does feel really drying, like my face feels really dry, and it still feels a little tight right now, but I'm going to go apply some moisturizer, and then, yeah, let's keep watching to see the rest of my face mask. Okay guys, so we're back today for day 4 of our mask, and today I wanted to do something that was gonna give my face some moisture because my face is feeling really dry. It could be partly because I just washed it, but it's also been feeling really dry anyways. So I chose this one right here because this is the only one that I found that said moisture on it. So it's the Charcoal and Black Sugar Mud Mask. Smooths, purifies, and moisturizes. Let's read it real quick. This velvety mud mask works like magic to moisturize, remineralize, and make skin sensationally soft. Dead sea minerals have a natural nourishing effect that boosts smoothness and overall skin health. Activated charcoal locks onto and lifts away oils and toxins without overdrying skin. Black sugar helps skin hold onto hydration and smooth away roughness. Perfect for normal to combination skin. Each of them has different directions, so I guess I should read the directions to you guys as well. Apply mask to face and neck. Avoiding contact with eyes, let dry and rinse with warm water. Contains up to 2 to 4 applications. Hold up. 2 to 4 applications. Do they all contain more than one application? Damn it. Okay, I don't know. But this does not look like enough for 2 to 4 applications. We're gonna see. Now I'm going to let this dry. It says to wash it off with warm water. So for that, I'm just going to be doing that in my bathroom. So that's not going to be part of the video this time. So, but I will come back when it's dry so you can see how it looks and everything. And I brought this one down to my neck because it said to. There is a little bit of product left over, but I would say that there's enough to do my face again, but not the whole down to my neck. Okay, so it's not completely dry, but it's almost there. But it's starting to get really, really itchy and really, really tight. So I'm going to go wash it off right now. And then I'm going to come back and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so I would have to say that one is probably the most disappointing one that I've done so far. Immediately, right as I took it off, my neck is itching and my face is feeling super, super dry. Right as the water is drying up, my face is drying up. With it, it even feels drier than when I started, because when I first started, I just felt dry, like in this area, like maybe a little on my cheeks and in my nose, like the corners of my nose, and now I'm feeling it here, all over. My neck is itchy. Maybe it's just not agreeing with my skin, but I definitely do not like that mask and will not be doing it again. So that is my thought on that one. Until next time. We're back for day 5, and I am tired as shit or high as shit. It's both. We are going in today with this Freeman Renewing Cucumber Peel Off Gel Mask. You can totally see my face right now. It's like no words. Okay. It says, a cooling skin quenching mask that gently peels away impurities that can cause skin to be rough and dull. Cucumber and aloe help soothe while moisturizing, ensuring skin feels soft and silky smooth after every use. Perfect for normal to combination skin. Directions. Apply an even layer to clean, dry face, avoiding eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes or until dry. Gently peel off mask from outer edges. Rinse with warm water. Use twice a week or as often as needed. Which so far has been every day of the week. But we're going to go in with my handy dandy tool. I need my handy dandy mirror. Ooh, this one's clear. And it smells like cucumber. It's really thick though. Really thick. Oh shit. Alright y'all, now we're gonna let this shit sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna give you the real tea on these masks. But at the end, I'm gonna give you the real black tea on them. You know, the darker the better. Okay, it's been well over 10-15 minutes. It's probably been closer to like 25 minutes. So I still feel like a little bit of wet spots, especially like over here. But I'm just going to take this off because I don't think it needs to sit on any longer. Okay. I would have to say I can't really tell with this one. My skin does feel a little bit moisturized, but other than that, I'm not noticing too much. It was way more moisturizing than the one that I did yesterday. Oh my god, that one was horrible. So yeah, keep watching for the rest of the face mask, and until next time. Today is day 6, and today I decided to do this anti-stress mask. It's a clay mask. It says instantly clears pores and balances for renewed skin. Unwind from the grind by treating skin to a much needed escape with this nutrient-rich mask. Dead sea minerals and sea salts help replenish and balance moisture while purging clogged pores. Lavender and bergamot, I don't know, Lavender and bergamot help put skin in a bliss-like state and rinse away stress for smooth, radiant skin. Perfect for all skin types. Directions. Apply mask to a face. Oh my god, I cannot fucking speak right now. Directions. Apply mask to face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry. Rinse with warm water. Use twice a week or as often as needed. Simple enough, right? Ooh, this one's blue. Okay, so now that I have that applied, I'm going to give it a second to dry, well, about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to come back, take it off. Well, I'm not going to take it off here. I'm going to take it off in my bathroom. Then I'm going to come back and let you guys know how it feels. So I'll be back. Okay, so what I have learned really quickly about clay masks is they are really, really, really drying to the skin. Like, my skin is really, really dry. I need to go put some lotion on ASAP. But other than the drying part, I feel like my skin does and has been looking really like very, very good so far. Like, my pimples have actually started to go away, other than like they're still like trying to get, I don't know, I hope it doesn't scar my face, but I'm still just trying to wait for like all the redness and everything to go down, like on this pimple. I really hope it doesn't scar my face. I'm gonna be so sad. But yes, I have a lot of scars on my chin from pimples, and so ugly. But that is really all I have to say about that mask. So I don't think I'm gonna be doing any more clay masks because I don't like how they make my skin feel. So that is that. Until next time.